What's up guys, welcome to my home improvement video, my first home improvement video. So in this video I've got my washer and my dryer, and I've got a little predicament. So when you open my washer and you're taking your clothes out and trying to put them in the dryer, you obviously have a little predicament. So you have to have your dryer door open to get your clothes in the dryer, and both of my doors meet. And so I'm always struggling in between. And then you open this door right here for my towels and stuff, and everything practically touches. So we're gonna try to fix all that. I just recently figured out that you can change the door and just flip it over to the other side. So now it'll open this way instead of that way. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so here you just see me kind of removing the screws and taking the hinges off of the door. Alright, so now the hinges are removed. So we are going to work on getting these two pieces right here and just flipping those around so they'll be on opposite sides. Okay, so now those pieces have been switched, and we're just going to work on popping all of those little white pieces out and switching them again to the opposite side. And so in this portion of the video, I'm just showing all the screws around the outer edge that need to be removed so we can split the part into two. So all of those screws need to be removed, and I will get back to you after that is done. Alright, so all the screws have been removed now, and we're just going to work on switching these two pieces. The piece that I'm switching right now is just the latch part. So now my two pieces are split, and when I finished popping that little piece out right there, I had to take the two pieces apart before I could finish popping that out. So our door originally started like this, and for us to make it compatible, we need to flip it. Alright guys, so we've got our piece flipped, and as you can see, it will now fit the opening to the door. So here we are again with our little latch and our inserts, and we are just going to put those back in. And it took me a little minute with this, but I finally got it. So to get that back in, you just need to make sure that the little metal flaps on the back are actually towards the back, and then the big ones are towards the front. So just make sure it is inserted in properly. From here, I'm just going to take my little pieces and finally figure out which way they go on and just pop those back in and pop the other side back in. Those pieces are finished, so now comes our screws. So now you're just going to want to put your hinges back on in the spot that you freed up earlier and switch sides to. So now we've got the hinges on, we are done. Everything is complete, and there was my dog trying to bust in the bathroom to hang out with me. So I'm really happy about this improvement. Now when I open my dryer door, it swings opposite, and I don't have the dryer door banging against the washer door constantly. So I can take my clothes and move them a whole lot easier than originally. So I struggled with this. We just got this washer like 2 months ago, so I've been struggling with this for like 2 months, and I'm super happy that I've got it fixed and resolved. Maybe more improvements to come, but for now this will work, and it is a great improvement.